Hey everyone, today I'm diving into Titan Edge Formula, a website that's all about trading microcap coins in the crypto space. Now, if you haven't heard of microcap coins before, these are smaller, lesser known cryptocurrencies with big potential. And Titan Edge Formula, led by Dino, teaches you exactly how to capitalize on these hidden gems. So here's what I have found. So now the question arises, what exactly are microcap coins? So these are smaller, lesser known coins in the crypto space. They often have explosive growth potential and Dino's method really capitalize on this. We are talking about new coins that nobody's heard of, meaning big opportunities for massive returns. The best part, you don't need to worry about selling, marketing, or any of that complex stuff. No need for paid traffic, products, or inventory. This strategy focuses on one skill, that is trading microcap coins. It's simple, but the results, they are powerful. And here's the kicker, you can trade from anywhere, whether you are on your phone or tablet. You are good to go. Imagine learning a skill in just 5 days that could set you up for serious profits and a secure financial future. That's exactly what Dino's Masterclass offers. Now, Titan Edge Formula offer a 5 days masterclass where Dino teaches this method step by step in just 5 days. You will learn a skill that could potentially generate substantial profit and even secure your financial future. This is not just theory. Dino's approach is practical and he designed it to be easy to follow even if you are new to crypto trading. Now, if we talk about checklist, no being glued to chart for hours a day, no stressing over every trade wondering if I was right or wrong, no magical indicators, and no watching talking heads listening to news or reading financial websites. This is what the website, but if we talk about their pricing plan, so I will show you the pricing plan which is for the 5 days. So the sale is live for now and 20 hours left. For the first 1000 seats, you need to pay $47 with all bonuses and gift. This training was for almost $3,000, but now they are offering 95% off to you. And if you are in first 1000 seats, then you need to pay only 47,000. But if you exceed from 1000, then you need to pay $197 and so on. Now the step is you need to choose your timing, so you can go with the 11 a.m. Eastern or 8 p.m. Eastern. So you can continue when you have time to take classes. Now let's go back and talk about the 5-day classes what they are offering. So the first day class you will get orientation with the crypto trade. Then we have the second day where the magic will begin. In this class you will find and track hidden gold, steps for minimizing risk, and how to verify and validate. In third day class, you will find how to build the production line, creating consistent and long-term wealth. In the fourth class, you will find how to build your empire from the ground up, how to turn your solid foundation into a powerful, scalable empire, weekly sessions and extra training, and working hard. Then we have fifth class where you can ask Scene anything, open question and answers and acceleration session, and then you have review, recap, and solidify everything you have learned so you can move forward with confidence. Plus, don't miss the final grand prize giveaway, which is for $1,000 for the winner and $500 for the runner up and 250 for the third place. Now the bonuses was mentioned in the pricing plan. So the first bonus they are offering is private Discord community group. Then the second bonus is session transcript. Then we have the third bonus which is Cliff Notes version. Then we have the fourth bonus which is you can ask anything from the supervisor. Then we have the fifth bonus, which is seat for a spouse. So this is a buy one get one opportunity. Then we have the sixth bonus, which is you can replay the class for 24 hours. Now, if we talk about the student's result, so I will show you some 100% verifiable on the blockchain. So if I open this result here, this person gets 33% profit in just one day. In the same way, if we open some other student results, so they get 295% profit in just one day. Here, as you can see, and here it is showing 295% profit. So in this way, you can find all the results here that students share. And that's our deep dive into Titan Edge formula. If you are someone who's tired of seeing hype without substance, or if you are serious about learning a skill that could help you build real wealth, Titan Edge formula offers a refreshing and practical approach. Trading microcap coins is definitely unique, and this strategy gives you the chance to tap into those hidden gems in the crypto market that most people overlook. Now, if you are ready to explore this world of microcap trading, I would definitely recommend giving this masterclass a look. Think about it. In just 5 days, you can gain insight into a trading skill that can generate real profits without needing to worry about marketing, sales, or any other usual online business headaches. And it's not just theory, this is a hands on, step by step approach that could potentially change how you look at financial opportunities. And if you're still on the fence, remember this program doesn't ask you to commit for months or invest in anything other than your education and commitment. Titan Edge Formula is all about giving you the tools and techniques to take control of your financial future. Imagine being able to generate income from virtually anywhere, even from your phone or tablet. But don't just take my words for it, you will find testimonials and results shared by himself, showcasing how his students are succeeding in trading microcap coins. Some of these students are complete beginners and are now making a steady income from their trades. So, if you're ready to join a growing community for traders and learn a skill that could genuinely make a difference in your life, Titan Edge Formula might be just the program you are looking for. Thank you so much for watching this review. If you found it helpful, please do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you want more in-depth review, insights into trading strategies, crypto trends and practical tips on building your financial knowledge. Thank you for watching. Bye.